You're gonna love the 2021 Dodge Challenger. The Challenger delivers menacing power, controlled handling, advanced cockpit technology, fine craftsmanship, interior comfort, and engineering that prioritizes safety and efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless start, heated mirrors, multi-zone AC, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. Experience the edginess of high performance with attitude in the Challenger. Take it out on the road today.